Welcome to another AUM School of Education tutorial video. Over the course of this video, we'll be going over how to use discussion boards inside of Blackboard. Now, when you first log into Blackboard, it takes you usually to your course entry point, which might be announcements or course content. In this case, it's announcements. But as you look down through, I guess your table of contents is what I would call it, oftentimes you'll see a discussion board area. It may be called discussions, course discussions, class discussions, but it's usually going to be there on that left-hand side. So let's go ahead and click that. Now let me describe it to you exactly what's going on with this discussion board. In the area of educational technology, like to talk about different forms of communication. You have synchronous communication, which is like chatting back and forth with somebody, say in Facebook, and you have asynchronous, which is more like email going back and forth. A discussion board is what we call asynchronous. You can see right here, these are called forums. There's 3 of them already. And these are ways that we use to organize our actual discussion boards. Now, as you look at this first one, you can see over here there's 2 posts. Now, what does that mean? Basically, it means that 2 different people have gone ahead and posted material. It could actually be one person if they've made multiple posts. But I want to go ahead and click into this forum and see what's going on. All right, you can see right here, here's the thread. A thread is kind of an individual post or the start of a series of posts inside of the discussion board. And this was started by me. And it said, I'm Mr. McKinney. So let's go take a look at this. Very simple. You all already know me. Tell me about yourselves. Well, I've had a student answer, and I really appreciate her doing that. So I'm going to reply to her part of the thread. And I'll say, time to post in our discussion board. And basically all I've got to do now is hit submit. And if we back out and we go look at the discussion board again, let's go back to class discussions. You can see now there's 3 posts and 2 total participants. And when you want to view it, you can see the whole thread broken down from here and all the comments. So you can see the history of what goes on inside the discussion board. And occasionally, when you're in your coursework, you may have 10 people or an entire class even participating and commenting on each other's comments. It can get a little bit tricky to follow. So you want to pay particular close attention to that you're not skipping from thread to thread. In any event, that concludes this short tutorial video. As always, my email address is on your screen right now. Please feel free to contact me should you need any assistance with discussions inside of Blackboard.